Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if the Impulse app is just not working. So this can be if it's not opening or a feature is not working, then I'm going to show you guys right here in this video how you can fix this. So I have 4 easy ways in order to fix any issue you are currently having with the Impulse app, and like I said, this can be with the app not opening, something not functioning, just basically everything. So the first thing you want to try and do, which is a really common issue with the Impulse app, is that when you head over into settings, and what you then want to do is you want to scroll all the way to the downside till you find the Impulse app. So I'm quickly going to find it right now, and what you simply need to do is basically open it. So click right here. And then what you need to do is you need to make sure that background app refresh is actually enabled. So if this is disabled, it could cause some issues that when the app is running in the background, it just doesn't load. And when you then automatically open it again, without restarting, it will just not work. So make sure that background app refresh is always enabled. If you have already enabled that, or if you have just enabled that and it's still not working, then the second thing I would basically recommend is opening the App Store and just typing in Impulse, and what you simply need to do is you need to update the app. Because when the app is really outdated, it could cause a lot of issues you are having with the Impulse app, because then basically your iOS and the Impulse app is not running the same anymore, which can cause a lot of issues. So I'd recommend updating your app to the latest version. Now, if that is still not working, the Impulse app is still not working, after you've tried those two things, then what we're going to do is we're going to clear the cache of our Impulse app. And we can do this by heading over into settings. And on Android, you need to scroll all the way to the downside till you find the app. On iPhone, however, we need to click on General, iPhone Storage, and basically once we've done that, we're going to find the Impulse app. So it should be somewhere right here based on how many gigabytes of RAM it takes basically on your phone. That's how far up or down it will be. So currently mine is a little bit in the middle at 200 MB. So as you guys can see, just click on it, and on Android basically all you need to do is click on clear cache. Now the problem is that on iPhone we don't have a clear cache button. Luckily, if we click on offload app, you will still be able to basically hard reset the app, clear the cache, and it will basically completely reinstall the app. However, the best part is that it will keep all your documents and data on your device, meaning it's basically just a hard reset, because all your process, everything will still be there, you will still be logged in, everything will still be the same. It will basically give it a hard reset, and this should fix a lot of issues you are having with the Impulse app. So yeah, I would recommend trying that. And if that is still not working, then for the last fix, what you can simply try and do is just reinstalling the app. You can do that by holding it down just like this on your home screen and clicking on Remove App, and you can reinstall it again using the Google Play Store or App Store. Now the problem with doing this is that if you do that, it will 99% sure just fix any issue you are having with the app. The problem is it will basically just delete all the data, so all your progress will be lost. So yeah, I would first format it, and if that's still not working, then you can always just reinstall the app. So that are the 4 easiest ways in order to fix any issue you are having with the Impulse app. So if any of these fixes fix it for you, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.